In this video, I will be showing you how to create a custom Christmas card in Canva from scratch. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Templates page by typing Christmas card into the search bar to see the available options. Instead of choosing a pre-made template, I'm going to click on Create a Blank Card to start with a clean slate. Once the editor loads, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for Merry Christmas graphics. I'll scroll through the results until I find a script that I like, add it to the page, and resize it to fit the right side of my card. Next, I'll search for a Christmas tree to serve as the main focus of the design. I'll select a beautifully decorated one and place it on the left side, scaling it up so it fills the vertical space nicely. To add some extra charm, I'm going back to my elements and looking for more festive characters. I'll add this adorable cat in a Santa hat to the base of the tree. Then, I'll find an illustration of a mom giving a gift to a kid and place them right in the center of the card. I want to add a bit of a border at the top, so I'll add this Christmas wreath and I'll position it at the top of the card and use the layer settings to send it backwards so it sits behind the text. I'll also lower the transparency slightly so it doesn't distract from the main message. For the final touches, I'll add a small holly leaf graphic to the Merry Christmas lettering for a pop of color. I'm also going to flip the illustration of the mom and a kid horizontally so they are facing toward the tree and move the cat over to the other side to balance the layout. I hope this helps you create your own festive designs this holiday season.